Okay, so we have a mathematics question that says find the dy over dx of this one. Dy over dx simply means the derivative of y over x, meaning that how the values for y and x are changing with respect to each other based on the given equation. So if you want to solve this question, you can use different rules for calculus. Now, we can use the power rule, we can use the product rule and the chain rule, okay? Now, in this case, we're supposed to use the product rule. Why using the product rule? Product rule is given by this formula. So product rule, which is product rule, is given by this one. It's a dy over dx equal to, so now this one, so I'm going to say u is equal to x, and then everything this, so it will be v equal to this one. You have seen? So I'm going to say u over du, dv over dx, you say plus, you say v, and then you say du over dx. You have seen? So this is the formula which we use. Now, where there is u, there is x. Where there is v, there is this one here, everything here. Okay? So we continue like this. We say equal. So where there is u, you put x like this. Now, here, we're supposed to put the derivative of v with respect to x. So where is the derivative for v? It is this one. So we need to solve this part here. So now, how can we solve this part? Now, as you can see, this part alone has been raised to a power 4, to a greater power. Now, when this one has been raised to a greater power, we're supposed to use another rule again, known as the chain rule. So chain rule is being divided into two parts. There is where you find the derivative for only what is inside and for everything. So let me start with the one which is inside. The dy over dx of a number, like a constant, it is always 0. So here there is 0. You come to this one. So the derivative of 2x, it will be 1 times 2, it's going to give me 2. 1 minus 1 is going to give me 0. So it's supposed to be 0, x to the power 0, which is 1. 1 times 2, it is 2. So meaning that I'm going to put a 2, and then you say times. That is if you use the power rule with the combination of the chain rule. Okay? So now you come to everything. So it will be 4 times 1 here, it will be 4. We know that this one you are not supposed to derive it, so you maintain it like this. And then 4 minus 1, it is 3. So this times this one is going to give me 8. And then you put 2x plus 1 to the power 3. So this one is the one you put here. So it is now 8. And then 2x plus 1 to the power 3 like this. You put a plus. I hope you are following. Now we come to this one. Let's say get the function for v. What is the one for v? The one for v is this one. So you're going to do this. You don't solve it, you just get this one. So it is 2x plus 1 to the power 4. Now let's say find the derivative for u. U it is x. Now we're going to do this. What is the derivative for x? So we know that here there is 1. So 1 times 1, it is 1. And then this 1 minus 1, it is 0. So x to the power 0, it is 1. 1 times 1, 1. So meaning that here there is 1. I hope you are following. So now the next step we do this. So x times this one is going to give me 8x. Then 2x plus 1 to the power 3. You say plus. So 1 times everything is going to give me the same. So meaning that it will be like this. You have seen? So this here is the answer.